got a cough. I don't give a shit. He won. I decayed. Challenger. I had a second child. Scared. I had a gank, bro? Yeah, fucking solo killed, pussy. I still got it! Bro, imagine a father of two hasn't sat on a computer in months and is fucking solo killing you. What a worthless fucking existence you have, Pantheon. Why are you even playing, you pile of shit? Like, seriously. Imagine being his teammates. Bro, that Annie hasn't played in 2 months and is a father of two. You just died. You just got solo killed, by the way. Go, bro, go. He's dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead.